In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about 5 free video editing apps which are available in Google Play Store, and all of these would be letting you export HD quality video without any watermark. And yes, in the second part of this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to edit one video with one of the most eminent video editing app which is free. So make sure you stick to me till the end of this video, and for now, let us head over to our mobile screen. I'm at my Google Play Store, as you can see, and first app which I'm going to talk about is Splice. So you just need to type Splice here, Splice app for video. And yes, this is the app which you need to install. Now it is having 4.3 stars and 96 trillion reviews and 10 lakh plus downloads, which is quite a good rating and number of downloads. And now let's see what are the best features of this app. This makes the editing very easy and faster, and it is having a timeline inside its dashboard. Second important thing is it makes the video editing very powerful with lots and lots of effects, and you can add stickers, you can add PIP, that is picture in picture overlay, and lot more. Next, you can also make slow motion or motion ramping. Let's move forward to the overlay and text option. There are different types of styling texts which you can add in your clip. Next is adding a music or voiceover. That is also possible by using Splice App. Next is you can make a beautiful slow motion which can give your video a different angle and dimension altogether. Next app is Vidma App, video editor and maker Vidma. This is a scissor icon which they use for their company. It is having 4.7 reviews from 1 lakh reviews. That's pretty cool. As well as more than 10 lakhs downloads so far, which is not bad as well, right? So let us see what are the unique USPs of this app. The first thing is it is a pro video maker. It makes HD quality crystal clear video. Next, it is having 70 plus video effects starting from glitch effect or camera shaking effect. So it's a very effective app for making a short or a reel. Next is video overlay and blending. It allows you to overlay another video on top of the main video and blend it in such a way so that it gives a beautiful cinematic effect and makes your video more engaging. Let's move forward to the next part, which is music. It's having 500 plus popular music tracks in its library, which you can freely use and make your video more appealing and interesting. Let's move forward to the cool transition part. How can we avoid adding beautiful transition to make a beautiful layering in our video and make it more dynamic for our viewers? Let's move forward to speed ramping. Yes, it's very important to do a little bit of twist in your video by adding a little bit speed ramping, which will make again your video more lucrative. And last but not the least, it's a sticker and text which make your video more informative. After editing your entire project, once you are exporting it, Vidma will show you a couple of ads. I would encourage you to turn off your internet while you're exporting. My next app which I would be recommending is Video.Guru app. Click on this. It's having 4.6 star ratings from 23 lakhs review. That's really great. And 5 crore plus downloads. So you must go for it, and let us see what are the features of it. It is again a pro video editor. Move forward to the next point, which is it is having 50 plus cool transition effects which will make your video more attractive. Next is 100 plus effects which you can add in your video specifically for reels and shorts. 100 plus trending musics you can choose from and add it to your video to make it more interesting. Next is cut and split effect. You can give cut and split and trim your video clips as much as required. You can also make a slideshow video with the help of static PNG or JPEG images. Let's move forward to the animation part. This is having animated text templates available which you can freely use in your video. Next is video speed up and down. You can add speed, you can make the speed higher by which is called speed ramping. You can also do a slow motion by using this app. So that's pretty much about Video.Guru. You must try and do let me know in the comment section. So far I have shown you 3 apps. Well, my next app is Vita App. This app keeps watermark unless and until you go to the app setting and turn the watermark off. 4.3 rating for 6 lakh reviews, not bad, and 10 crore plus downloads. So far, whichever app we have seen, this is having the maximum download. So if you want me to make a particular editing video on this Vita app, do let me know in the comment section. This is very easy to use app, and this is very powerful app to give that pro level editing touch to your video. Next is free store. It is having a vivid amount of store and templates available, so you can use them freely, which are copyright free. Next is again beautiful templates, which is just plug and play, just add it and make your reel or shorts ready in a minute. So you must try this out. Next is effects and filter. Can make your video more interesting. You must try this. Let's move forward to the text and sticker part. Here they provide different types of sticker, inbuilt sticker, which makes your video more funny and more engaging. You must try for this. The best part of this app, chroma key option and picture-in-picture overlay, where you can basically remove or replace your background if it is monochromic background, and you can also overlay some other videos of yours and make it more interesting. Next is it's having 2000 plus musics which are copyright free. You're free to use it. Even if you're using it for YouTube or Facebook, you will not be getting any copyright claim. Well, VN Video Editor is the master of all. This is one editor which worldwide has got the highest review rating, 19 lakhs review and 4.4 review and 10 crore plus downloads. And this app has been recognized as the best video editing free apps in 2023. So let's move forward to see what are the key USPs of this app. It's having a slick mobile, it's a very slick app. Very less amount of space in your mobile, so very lightweight app. Next is it's having a lot of amazing text templates and stickers which you must be exploring and using it in your video to make it more appealing. Next is it's having a speed curve facility which makes your speed going up and down very smoothly. The transition between two speeds will go like a flow and a wave. So that is one of the best advanced feature which VN software offers. Let's move forward to easy to use music beats. Well, when we add music, it goes in its own flow, right? Now, this app is having an inbuilt algorithm by which your music's beat will be following the cuts and splits of your video and the transition specifically. So where there is a transition, there will be a beat, and that makes your video more cinematic. I would be making an actual video on this software itself just in the second part of this video, so make sure you don't leave me right away and wait till the second part comes where I'll be actually editing a video in VN software itself today. Next is keyframe animation, which never you will get in any free software. I can bet on it. Keyframe animation helps you to make any static content, static object move in your video with the help of keyframe animations. This is one of the unique features which VN software offers us. Next is color grading filter, which is a very effective tool for daily content making. You just need to plug and play with the color grading filters available here, and you can create and correct your color on a click. Next is it is having a secure project sharing option. You can directly share your project to different social medias securely. All these softwares will allow you to export HD quality video without any watermark whatsoever. So with that being said, let's move forward to the part 2 of this video and let's edit one video on VN software. If you guys ready, let's move forward. From Google App Store, you'll have to download it, and then you'll have to come to this plus icon and then new project. Then you need to select the video. Let me select a couple of videos. For this, I can go to this all folder and I can check my respective folder from where I want to take the clips. For me, I want to download from the download option. Now let me take a couple of clips. Suppose this one. So these three I'm taking, and just go to this arrow, and it will take a little while to process. So once processing is done, see, this is how this clips will look like. Second best feature is it is having layered editing tracks, which is the first track is for adding music, second track is for text, third is for sticker and overlay, picture in picture overlay, which is called PIP overlay, and then at the bottom it is video timeline, video track. As soon as I was dragging it, it is kind of coming back and forth, and I can change the position. Then again I will drag and drop it here and it will kind of stick. This is called magnetic timeline. Now, so let's do the first thing, how to cut, split and trim. Keep the playhead in the right position. Then here is a split option with a scissor icon. You just need to split by clicking on that. Now how to trim, I will just select it like this, and this yellow kind of a thick border will appear. Now I just need to shrink it by sliding it towards left to shorten the duration of the clip, or if I want to broaden, then I'll have to just shift towards right. Splitting is only cutting, so you don't have to go for anything else. So just split. Only thing is that you'll have to take the playhead to the next part where again you need to give a cut. So suppose here, and then just select in between the middle part and press this delete option and it will be deleted. Okay, now let us go to the next part, which is filter. So I have to select the clip, the respective clip where I need to add the filter. You need to select it, go to this FX button. So this rotary is good, and I will just need to drag it till where I want it to be continued, and then just add this tick. That's it. So it is added till here, right? Now next is filter, and I give a typical retro filter. So there are many different type of filters. You can see here it is fog filter, mood. For that, let me take this one. I like this one. Okay, now the intensity of it you can change. You can increase the darkness, you can change it. I want this, and then I will go to adjustment. I will just give it a little more contrast and a fairly more brightness and a little more saturation, and that's pretty much it. I will also give a vignette. What does vignette do? You see, I will just increase the parameter, and see there is a kind of black oval shaped shade aura coming around this picture, which very much creates a nice cinematic retro effect. Now PIP is basically used to overlay a particular type of sticker or a particular video. So in sticker there are vivid range of variety you can choose it from. There are arrows, there are emphasis with some cool indicators, arrow and animated, pointer, finger pointer and all that. Add one sticker, which is a subscription button for you. So let me take this one. So once I take it, I need to select it and position it in the right way. So I will stretch this. Now I will keep it here. Next, again I will go to overlay and I will add another video, and I will place it here, and I will just place it, position it here till here, and then I will keep it selected, and let's see what are all these in the small box. Here one thing I will use motion here, and in the motion I can give different types of in animation. These are basically animations. I can use this fade animation. In out we will be doing slide animation, and for looping I will be doing this pendulum animation. Okay, and now I will just increase the duration so that the pendulum animation also is very slow. If you increase the duration of an animation, it will become slow. If you decrease it, it will be fast. I will go to the speed option, and here I will just reduce the curve to below so that my video is little slow, and then the next part is little bit fast, and you can also do it as preset. Now let us go to text. How to add a text? You will have to go to this text box, and you can go to this text option. It will show you different types of texts. Whichever you want you can use. For now, let me take this one. Just select this and stretch it till the position you want it to be. Now just reduce the size little bit. I will tilt it and position it here, and then I will make some editing on this. So I'll go to this edit option. Here I can change the title, but this is okay for me. So like here I can change the font very well. So let me take this font. I like it. And then you can change the size. Let me keep it 26. You can change the style of the text. Well, I find this style pretty interesting. And here, after choosing the style, you can change the border color, and that's pretty much it. If you want to make it bold, you can make it bold. Okay, that's pretty much it about text. Let's add some cool music. You can go to this music track. You can record your own voice if you want to by this red button. You can give some effect. I would be taking music. So you can choose from here. There are different types of music as well. Fresh, you can take this one. Just choose it and just choose the part you want to select. Give a subtle fade in, subtle fade out, and I will reduce the volume till around 50. It is an auto beat detection, so with your movement changing, beat will automatically change. Now you can go for a template also. There are different types of templates which are available. How to add transitions? So on this plus button, if you go, then you get two types of transition. One is normal, one is matte, right? So I will be adding first normal. I will take this one and apply. Here I will take again another matte transition, which is this one, and apply. And finally, once you are satisfied with your entire project, you just export it by clicking on this button. You can export original, or else you can change the resolution and take it. If you like this video, make sure you do let me know in the comment section how have you used these tricks and how your project turned out to be. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you have already subscribed, then please do give me a like and do share my content with others. That's pretty much it. Next week I'll come back with some fun tutorial. Till then, stay safe and tell it.